Decent days, take one.
Every time we get somewhere, you're like, stop.
Go, ready, push! We are stuck here in the snow with Lindsay's car because she had decided to go down this alleyway, and there's this crazy Asian girl. Look at this! I think we got it. How do you feel about this, Lindsay?
I feel like that's what I'm licking, Proto. Hey,
no, show her what you're doing. Get on the car and try and push again. Go, rock it. You gotta go rock it.
No, for real though, Liz.
For real though? A lot?
There's no way we're gonna get anywhere going forward. We gotta.
Look at the hand movement.
That's the only option.
She always does that. How do you feel about these? Look at those shoes. Look at that. It's spinning. We're gonna interview the driver. Okay, ready? Push, Linz. Ready? Now you guys like you're having sex, right?
Ready? I'm for real. Right now. I'm for real. Lindsay,
yeah.
Okay, ready? Ready. It's okay. We're just making a porno. It's the winter. Wonderland. Porno. No. Here we go.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, it's funny for decent days. Yeah. Decent days. Here we go. Wait, I need some traction here. You get that traction. There's yellow snow over there.
Go purple.
Ready? Ready? I don't think we're gonna get anywhere. It's so slippery. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Of excitement.
Are you going backwards?
Look at it.
Fuck balls. We're not gonna get anywhere.
Oh.
Excuse me? Excuse me again.
Look at that face. She's determined to do this or die. Now ready?
Don't go forward!
How do you feel about this, Linz?
I feel like this is bull fucking shit. I don't know how they do it. Listen to this. I say, I'm not competition because we are burning tires. We are burning them tires! Smell it! Wafted. Yeah.
You're crazy. Her foot's really making the difference, folks. Look at the car move. Oh, kick it off.
Here we go. Rock that shit.
Oh.
No, stop it. You do it every time. Here we go. Backwards. Rock it.
Lindsay. Isn't she cold, folks? Yeah, right. She's an Idaho girl. She doesn't get cold. This is what we wear out here. This is what we're about, people. We are about candy canes and cupcakes. That's what we're about. And blonde girls. Well, she's brunette now, but, you know. Blonde cheerleaders pushing cars out of snow with Asian people.
My feet are frozen and I frostbite.
You think she has frostbite? This is probably the best show I've ever seen. If I was one of the neighbors, I'd be peeking.
Dude, our tires are not in the snow bar thing.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Go forward a little bit. Get the forward and go back. Elizabeth. Deep bed.
Huh. Is anything happening? Huh?
What? Love?
It's still recording, love. Well, that's all for today, folks. Lindsay feels as though she can unplow us with her strength.
I'm the only one that's moved the car.
I'm the camera person.
You haven't.
I'm filming decent days. Oh! Punch me in the face.
Porno time! You like that? Here we go. Ready? Liz, I'm feeling it! Come on, let's go! Liz! I'm feeling it! Come on!
Look at her face, folks.
To the music! Me!
This is the funniest thing I've ever seen. Look how far she spreads her legs. Oh my god!
See? I did it good! Yum. Whoa.
I don't think we're gonna get this unstuck.
Yeah, we are!
Look at this Asian persuasion.
Good! Good!
Lindsay.
Listen, Liz. Listen. If we... Back that way? For real. Oh God. A lot? Turn it to number 2. 2. 2. Dose. Quaca. That's I mean Asian. Okay.
Okay.
I can really get out of this shit. No, 2! 2!
This one, leave it!
No!
Leave it! 2! Hey, come on. It might be hurt. You know how bipolar you are?
Ready? Porno time. Here we go.
What's your porno name then, Lindsay?
Carmen. Ready?
Carmen!
Feel the
On me and I'm ready.
Come on!
Alright,
I can get
this is the end of Decent Days. And I'll just leave you with one great ending,
For real.
you know, part of this, so bye. Yeah! Spread 'em. Ooh.